Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen Decluttering. I'm going to try something a little bit different. This is kind of like at almost 11 o'clock at night, so it's going to be kind of like a late night speed clean. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to speed clean by entryway, and I'm going to give myself a timer for like 15 minutes. So let me show you the timer. Okay, you can see it, so I'm going to start it and see what I can get done in 15 minutes. Okay, let's start. Basically, my timer's now still going, so that's basically what I wanted to do, and I got it done in record time. Okay, so that didn't take as much time as I thought, which is good. So, next I'm going into the laundry room, so stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm in my laundry room, and basically what I'm planning to do is I want to kind of just like up here, right here on my, my machines. I want to try to take everything down and dust off the shelves and everything, so do all that, and then move this stuff kind of like out of the way so I can at least do that. But I'm gonna put a little twist on it, since it didn't take me the whole 15 minutes in the entryway, I'm gonna add the time that was left on my deal. So it'll be, I guess it was like 9:40, 9 minutes of 40. So I'll do the 9:40, and then I'll reset the timer again for 15, and we'll see how long it takes to kind of clean this laundry room. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you my phone. Still at 9:40, and I'm going to start that right now. As you can see, the timer's just about out on the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let it go. Okay, and it's set to 15 minutes again. So what I'm gonna do is, since I did 15 minutes in the entryway and it only took about 5 minutes or whatever to get that done, and I use the rest of the time in here. So I'm just gonna add the 15 in here. So let's get started. Okay, so that didn't take as long as I thought it would be. So I'm now at 11:47. So anyway, we're gonna go upstairs into the guest room. So I'll see you there. Okay, so we're in the guest room now. I haven't been up here in some time with my camera or film or do cleaning. And to be honest with you, we really haven't had any guests up here to stay. This has kind of become my husband's man cave. But I think it does need to be dusted quite a bit. So let me check the perimeters real quick. Okay. So I checked over here and it doesn't really seem to be dusty, but I'm going to go ahead and dust it anyway since I am in here. But I'm going to show you the areas that there is a little bit of dust on it. So give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so I'm using the flashlight off my other phone. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little bit of dust right here. There's a little bit of dust maybe on here, the VCR thingy. So, and there may be dust over here too. So anyway, I'm going to get to dusting. So hang on 1 second, guys. Okay, so before I get started, I'm going to kind of straighten up the bed a little bit so it looks a little bit refreshed. And then, anyway, but I'm going to go ahead and start my timer. And again, the timer got left at 11:25 in the laundry room after kind of starting back over from 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the rest of this time. If I need more time, I'll use the 15 minutes, okay? Okay, it's going. Okay, I am done, and I still have time to spare. So anyway, I just wanted to see if I could do a speed clean. Let me clear this off real quick. See. Okay. Alright. Anyway, boy, that was a workout, guys. Okay, so I basically got the entryway done. I got the laundry room done, and I got the guest room done. I didn't like dust the dashboards or the baseboards because I don't really think it needs it because it doesn't get a lot of traffic in here. But otherwise, it's pretty clean. And I did clean the ceiling things. I think I cleaned it like a month ago or something like that. So anyway, I'll be back to you guys in just a minute. Okay guys, so that will be a wrap for this video. I hope this inspires you to, I wanted to go ahead and kind of clean some areas that you haven't really seen in a while. I know you've probably seen my like washing machine and my dryer because of course, you know, wash my clothes and all that stuff. You see me do that. But I haven't really taken you inside the laundry room in quite some time. So, and I know it needed to kind of be cleaned up a little bit. Now, of course, I didn't do like the top shelves or anything like that because that's mainly where we put like storage stuff. So I didn't really need to mess with that. But I'm just trying to keep the washing machine and dryer maintained. But anyway, I wanted to kind of clean some areas that I normally don't do in my videos and everything and give you something different to look at. Okay, so I hope you make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, do all the things, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.